There's nothing like a sunset in the country. The golden light, the simple quiet that wraps you in a comforting peace that can't be broken by anything. Except mosquitoes. Gordon's Mosquito Prevent is here to help. It's formulated to kill mosquitoes before they become breeding, biting adults. It's simple. When Mosquito Prevent granules are sprinkled evenly over standing water, the granules sink, slowly releasing the active ingredient, which kills mosquito larvae in the water. Mosquitoes that never become adults never get the chance to bite you. Using Mosquito Prevent is also simple. First, as with every Gordon's product, always read and follow label instructions. Next, measure as accurately as possible the surface area of the water that you're treating. Using the application rate table on the Mosquito Prevent label, measure the amount you'll need to treat the water. A 1-pound container of Mosquito Prevent treats more than 8,500 square feet. A 2.5-pound container treats more than 21,000 square feet. Sprinkle it over the surface of the water. That's it. You just killed the mosquito larvae, including mosquitoes that may transmit Zika and West Nile virus. Those little buggers won't grow up to dine on you, your family, your pets, or animals. And the control lasts for up to 21 days. Gordon's Mosquito Prevent can be used anywhere you have standing water, such as watering troughs, old tires, rain barrels, anywhere mosquitoes breed. Of course, you still get the best mosquito control by emptying standing water in smaller containers, or use about 20 granules per gallon on the ones that can't be emptied. But don't use it in that old, long-lost coffee cup. Just dump the cup. It's gross. There you have it. Gordon's Mosquito Prevent is the simple, effective way to control mosquitoes on your property, because there's not much better than a country sunset in the summertime, and Gordon's Mosquito Prevent helps you keep it that way. Visit GordonsUSA.com to find a retailer near you.